Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Watcher of Realms, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial guys is how I founded the mod for this game, and I'm going to show you what this mod does. Okay, so before we start, I just wanted to mention to you that this mod is working for both the devices, iOS and Android, and I decided just to show you the steps with my iPhone. I'm recording right now with my Samsung. It's working both fine for both the devices. I already tested before in both the devices. So I'm just going to show you the steps I mentioned before with my iPhone, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, guys, just let me know in the comments below. I'm going to make a tutorial also for the Android users with my Samsung also, okay? Steps are the same, so I don't think you're gonna face any problem, but anyway, for any kind of reasons you might have, let me know in the comments below and I will do it, okay guys? So I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that how I managed to get this mod and which gave me unlimited gems and, as you can see, unlimited coins also. So with this mod I'm going to show you step by step that how you can do it, guys. Okay, so before we start the loading process of the mod, guys, all you need to do is just need to make a few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before. If you did it before, there is no need to redo it again, but for those who didn't do it, all we need to do is just need to go to the settings, and then we need to scroll it down till to the general, and then scroll it down again to background and refresh, and make sure you're going to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, why this is important? This is important because the whole process will not interrupt because of internet connection. Like this, you're going to be more secure, so you're gonna have double connection with internet, so the whole process will be done correctly. Okay, so after you complete this first checking, you get back to the settings, go again to the battery down, and then if you are using a lower power mode, guys, make sure you're gonna switch it off before, and after you finish the whole process you can come back and switch it on again if you'd like to have lower power mode active. Okay, so guys, these steps that I have to show you to you right now are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make changes in the settings, so all you need to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, guys, and all you need to do, you just need to go and search about this website over here as I'm focusing for you. Just press on it, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds to log in with the main page. When the moment you enter, you just go to the searching bar. You can check later, there are a lot of other apps if you want to get anything else, and you just need to type the name of the game. Alright, okay, here we are, and then you just need to press in the middle, and then this green sign of download now. It will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod, guys, and start to generate the resources, same as I had in the beginning of this tutorial. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Cheers.